is that thing recording? It is. Welcome back to another vlog, and I hope you guys are doing fine. And let me know how I did, how was the other two vlogs, and any criticism. I just finished editing it, so I'm gonna get to uploading pretty soon. So, well, in this vlog, I want to talk about a couple of things. For example, the couple of things I want to talk about is my just criticizing myself on my vlogging skills. For example, holding the camera not like this, more like this up front, so you guys can also see the background as well. And for the background, well, I came home and just dropped all my stuff on here, right? Like I opened up the bag, threw the bag on the ground. Now I gotta took out everything and just there. So I gotta clean up everything in this one. But tomorrow, my family's going on a trip. Well, we're visiting a town, right? We're just gonna check it out because we're planning to move there. So yeah, I think pretty cool. So I'll take you guys along, and you guys get to meet my family. But first of all, I need to clean this thing as well as this thing. Like I'll check out everything through all over here, through the clothes and the laundry, and this is the aftermath. Hey, so I'm outside now. Okay, so this is the next day, and I'm here in lovely town of Drumheller. Look, it should be called more like a dinosaur heller because everything over here is based off dinosaur, and that is because of a lot of fossils were found here early. I don't know when I'll leave the year there, but my parents are shoppers, right? So we're just going down there. So yeah. So back to the topic that we're talking about, criticizing myself on vlogging. So another one would be to, I'd say it was first was camera angle, right? Holding it down, definitely one of them. Second one would be giving you guys context. So for example, you might have saw in the last clip, I told you guys where am I right now, but I didn't necessarily tell you where or what am I doing here. So yeah, that's another thing I need to work on. So I think that just go down to like more of me just having notes and me just learning. So definitely that I need to work on, as well as my camera settings. And in the vlog, sometimes they're overexposed, right, for lighting cue. So I don't even know right now if it's under or over, right. So definitely those one of the things I want to learn to do, right. And I feel like I'm literally more comfortable now filming in public. Like right now, I'm outside, literally in a parking lot of shoppers. Right, so my parents are shopping inside, so I'm just outside. Yeah, always recording. I don't always record, so that's what I found on the trip. At least always be recording. That's the one thing I found on the trip that I wasn't doing enough. So there was a lot of funny moments that could have gone on the vlog, but I just didn't record. But definitely always be active with the camera now. That'd be the one key thing. And the cars, I love these cars, bro. They're so loud. Okay, so I'm explaining Drumheller now. So it's a couple of things I noticed. Every single sign here has it's something to do with dinosaurs. So like footprints. But I think even the sign, like the road we're walking down, it said downtown Dino Walk. So I'll show you a sign if I can find it again. But I did, bro. Stop backseating. Stop backseat vlogging. Stop that. My sister's like backseat vlogging, bro. So annoying. But now, I think we're gonna get some boba. That's what we're getting. But yeah, I'll show you like dinosaurs. Yeah, this is okay. This is what I'm talking about. Like everything has to do with dinos. Every single thing here has to do with dinos. Yeah, so fun. Like, so I found another one across the street, like right over there. It's a dinosaur. Man, these dinosaurs. Well, this is because this is used to be a really rich tropical stuff here. So you probably saw a shot of the boba tea shop. Yeah, something just wanted to stop by so I can record something for the vlog. Little, and I don't know how to say the name. Oh my gosh, the STI is so cool. Okay, so I'm walking back to the truck. So this is what I found. Right, it's just a town hall, and it says dinosaur capital of the world. So the dinosaurs were not all. Yeah, everything he dinosaur. I think I'll share the street name as well. I mean, any name. These are the street signs, so like everything has to be dinosaurs. Crazy. There you go. I made it home. It's been 5 days, so I made it back on Sunday, and it's Friday, so I'm cooked right now. I'm cooked, and I believe that's FP2 in the background going on right now. So gotta go catch that. But yeah, I'll end it right over here. Yeah, this we came out with Drumheller. Literally did nothing. I'm just playing Ghost of Tsushima and enjoying the story for it. It's really good story, really really good, and I really enjoy it. Well, that was it for me, I guess, from this week. Um, Next week, probably having nothing until the school starts. Until uni. It's gonna be August 29th. Second year, I'm not ready to. I don't really want to go back, man. I'm not ready to do this assignments again. Oh man. Nothing else. I think that'll be it. Well, comment, like, subscribe, and leave anything that maybe you guys want to criticize more about me, or some advice you guys have from maybe you've done in the past, or hey, anything helps. And see you guys next time. Bye.